Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and I'm super excited to welcome new subscribers. Hello, all of you out there. Thank you so much for subscribing to me. I super appreciate it. It made my day so much when you subscribe to me. Like, you have no idea how awesome that is. I want to dive into this video here. I want to use only Yes To products as my skincare regimen for the day. Just nothing but Yes To. Scrub, mask, cleanser, everything. Even if I don't have all the products, it'll be okay. I'll work with it, I'll do something, but I really want to see if I can actually do this as my full-blown skincare regimen, or just for something for fun, you know, who knows. It's springtime and I have a lot of spring themed products right here from Yes To. I have some grapefruit, some cucumber, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So all these will combo together and make a really good, hopefully, skincare regimen. The first step I'm going to do is use the Yes To cucumber eye makeup wipe removers. But I use this as my full face makeup remover because these pads take off everything. They're really worth the price. They take off all kinds of eye makeup with no problems. You have minimal eye burnage anywhere inside your eye. It only stings like a little bit and then it's gone. So really nice product. I'm going to wipe off all of my makeup off camera because that'll just take too long for me to do in this video. So I'll be back after taking off my makeup. I took off all of my makeup. I'm feeling good, refreshed. I changed my clothes because I had to. I didn't want to get anything on my outfit, so I changed into something more comfortable, and who cares if it gets ruined or what else. I'm going to get started with the cleansing part, and the only cleanser I have is this clay cleanser. It's okay. It's hard to get out of here. I'll make it work though. I don't need a full mask of it, so it'll be okay. I just gotta work with it here. Apply it like so, how I would do a regular normal cleanser. Rub it all over my face like so. I got my hands a little bit wet in the bathroom, so that way it'll actually go on. Make sure everything's nice and clean and refreshed. It's supposed to be transforming, but if you saw my video reviewing the cleanser mask, you know that doesn't transform. It just stays as this one color throughout the whole process. I usually don't use this as my normal cleanser. I use it more of like a mask because I don't see it as an actual cleanser. Sorry, Yes To, but it's true. It's not a real cleanser. For my scrub, I technically don't have one of its own entity, so I made some clay mask from the kit that I used in one of my previous videos, and there's some coffee grounds in here which actually acts like a mini scrub, so it's not too bad. I'm going to use this homemade clay mask from Yes To as a scrub, so I'm not going to leave it on for the full 10 to 20 minutes. I'm just going to put it on, scrub my face, and take it off. Do some circular motions. Super cold because the coconut water that I used was in the fridge, and I'm like super cold. This stuff is so nice, and there's like little rounds which acts like a little bit of a exfoliant. I don't know if you can see, but there's like one right there, a little coffee ground. So these little coffee pieces actually help exfoliate your skin. Work it in for about a minute or so, and if you need to add some more, you can, like I'm doing, if you want a more exfoliating experience. I actually love this product, but I don't think they make it anymore, which is sad because I have a lot of coconut water and no mask. I'm like, well, okay, well, what do I do now? I don't like the coconut water flavor, so what am I actually going to do with this stuff? I guess I can use it for something. I have no clue. I don't want to waste it, but I don't like what to do. Now it's a mask time, And I have this one from Yes too. It's just a single mask right here. It's the Miracle Oil one. Jay actually tried this one in a different video, and I have an idea of what this smells and looks like. I'm just like, oh boy, wasn't really a fan of it. It smells like cheap lipstick from the dollar store. That weird crumbly stuff. Like, it doesn't really go on well, but it's $1, so you buy it anyway. Get it out like so. And this one you leave on for about, I say, 10 minutes. Like all masks, 10 minutes. This one's okay. This one looks better than the one that Jay tried. Maybe Jay got a junky mask. I don't know. This one looks a lot better. Maybe I got a bad mask the last time. I don't know. So this one seems to be all good in the neighborhood. So I'm going to use this one. It actually smells better too. It doesn't smell like cheap lipstick. And this one was for $1. I paid $3 for the one that was crap. What in the world? I guess go to the 99 cent only if you have one. They sell some good stuff. It's not out of date, I guess. Huh. Interesting. This one actually looks nice. Well formed. Not chunky, smooth, clear. Kind of iridescent in a way. Pretty cool. Yeah. And it goes on better and it smells better. Sorry, Jay. I give you a crappy mask. Sorry. This one's very nice. Oh, wow. A lot better. I got the good mask. I'm going to chill out, relax, and be happy and blessed that I got a good mask here. The mask is gone. The mask was actually pretty nice. It's supposed to help with red skin, and I was red after the scrub, so maybe this will help reduce the redness and just cool the skin down. I have another cooling product right here. It's from Yes too. It's the toning mist, and I got all these products right here, most of them at Ross, and if you haven't watched my haul video, I'll link it down below as well. I got this, and this is brand new, first time ever trying this, so I hope it's not broken. It's a little loose right here, but I'm going to spray it, and it's a toning mist. You just close your eyes and tone. Oh, it smells good. It has a sweet grapefruit smell. Very, very nice. Ooh, I like this. This is actually easy to use. I can totally see putting this into my bag and just giving my skin like a little bit of a refresher throughout the day. It kind of looks like a sunblock spray. Very nice for spring, and it's the first day of spring. It's spring now, so a lot of these are just great spring products. I have also the matching Yes to moisturizer for all over skin tone repair. This one kind of looks like a clay. Doesn't smell that great. It smells like weeds. And not the weeds that you smoke, but the weeds in your yard every spring with like the flowers on them. That's how it smells. But a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, it doesn't smell that great. But it's okay. I don't mind. It has a familiar smell. Hand soap that mechanics use, and it's like an orange bottle, and it has a pump on top, and you just use that, and it's kind of like a scrub, hand scrub. That's what it smells like. It smells like a weird citrus weed. I'm going to massage it into my skin here. Make sure everything's well moisturized here. Pat it gently. Not smacking my face everywhere, just gentle pats. Thank you so much for watching my video on only using Yes to products. I'm like, some things will work, some things won't, but for the most part, it was a very effective skincare regimen. My face was a lot cleaner and a lot smoother and healthier. It felt brighter So I think it really did something, but I don't think I'm going to use it as my full-blown skincare regimen for like everyday use. Maybe once in a while, but not every day. Maybe once a week or so. It was very abrasive, so I think I'm going to stick to the skincare routine that I have, but this was a fun video to do. I'm really excited that I did do it, and I wanted to do it for quite a while. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Why not? It's free. And don't forget to press the notification bell. You'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout for those uploads now. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.